So hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set the limit to a screen time of any app on the iPhone. Now in order to do it, just simply open the settings of your iPhone, scroll down until you see this option of screen time right there. Just simply tap over there. Here all you need to do is to just simply go to this option of app limits. When you go over there, here you're gonna see all you need to do is to just simply turn this option on, and once you do that, here you're gonna see this option that says add limit. Just simply tap over there and select the game that you want. You can even apply this to the cluster of application, for example the social media or the games. Now for example, if you want this for some particular app, for example let's go to the socials, and here you're gonna see if I want to add screen time for WhatsApp, I can just simply select it, hit next, and select the time of amount that you want for the screen time. For example, if I said 1 hour and hit add, now the iPhone will warn me after 1 hour of usage of what. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.